What's going on, everybody? Jamel Gibbs. We just left the Airbnb a little while ago and just arrived in Reedsville, North Carolina, where we're meeting Sabrina and Juan. They're my coaching clients. They just finished up one rehab. We walked through. It's not ready yet, so they didn't necessarily want to show that one on camera. They picked up another rehab right down the street, and I'm actually following them right now. We're gonna head over to that rehab and show you guys inside that one. They did a fantastic job on the first one, so I can only guess that they're going to do a great job on the next one as well. So let's get into it. So this is Juan and Sabrina. We just pulled up to their house, and you had to see the reaction. That was hilarious, man. But what was the structure that was there?
So there was a wooden storage shed, like actually really well made with a roof and everything. You can see the like footprint. Yeah,
so, you mean this little square right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there was a wooden shed back here. Remember, on Gary's flip out in Ashboro, they stole, we thought they stole his shed, but it turns out after he bought the property, the owner wasn't paying on the shed, and they came and repoed it. So we gotta either file a police report, which is the first thing Gary did, and see if this person was paying on it, because if it was paid off, then somebody stole it. Right. But that's crazy.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah. I would and that's something for you guys to keep in mind as well. Whenever you're buying a property and there's a structure that's not attached to the house on the property, like a shed, make sure the shed is paid off. And when you buy it, put a lock on it, because somebody will come steal your stuff. And if they don't steal it, somebody's gonna come and repo. So you guys wanna go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. That's crazy though. What's the plan for this one?
So in thoughts of to go all the way to new construction level or not, because we had Jose walk through and he was talking saving baseboards and trim, and he had even said keeping the cabinets.
Yeah, so you can save these baseboards. These don't look too bad. This is down to the wood and it doesn't look too bad. I would not save these cabinets. I don't know what Jose's talking about. No, I would rip all their stuff out.
Yep.
The baseboards you can save.
Okay.
But it depends on the type of look that you guys are going for, because just remember, on the house that you just did. Yep. That house looks brand new, everything, because of the trim. And you got new sheetrock. So it depends on what extent of a rehab you guys, and also it depends on your budget and your price point. Right? Do you have to change out baseboards and stuff like that? No. Can you refinish them, sand them down, and make them look new again? Yes. You know what I mean? These baseboards don't look bad at all, in my opinion. Once they're cleaned up, and you sand them down and you repaint them, they're gonna look new again, right? Or close to it, not necessarily like the ones that you have over there. Yeah, these baseboards are not bad at all. All of this trim actually, you see all these marks? You can sand all of that stuff off, and if you can't get it off, then you can replace it. You know what I mean? But if you don't want to replace it, sand it down as much as you possibly can, and then just restain it. And plus honestly, sometimes this older trim provides more character to a house. Now, this stuff is corny. That's corny. Like this stuff at the top.
Yeah.
I would I would put some real crown molding up there.
That's weird.
And the popcorn ceiling and all that stuff. You could put some recessed lighting in here. It'll look really nice. I think these are good windows.
Yes.
This is not.
It's pretty good.
This is in pretty good shape.
What do you think about these? The wall has this texture on it.
I would take that off.
Okay, I was I don't understand what this is.
Yeah, you could get. Yeah, I would go flat wall personally. You're not gonna knock this down, are you? Yeah. So.
No, we wanted to open up the kitchen. Actually, yes. If you want to visualize.
So
with me.
This here.
So we wanted to, but the beams run you need the wall to support the beams. And
I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, and so we're one thing, like we've had a couple of thoughts. So if you look at this kitchen right now, there is no place for the fridge because this is the stove.
Oh, that's right. Oh yeah.
And so
Where did they have a fridge?
I don't know that they had one. I think they had used this like freezer situation
That's
or
crazy,
something.
man.
And I don't remember when we came the first time, like.
Do you really need all this open space right here?
So.
This is an
If
extension.
this is yes, yeah, you can see it here. But like if this is closed, the kitchen feels like a closet. Like if this is a wall, this is itty bitty. So we don't. I mean, I think the little space is cute. He has a different opinion.
I think you should put the fridge somewhere over here.
So that was the first thought. Then someone else had the thought of, because if you come here, we would like this to be the laundry. Because right now, this is just like, I don't know, some weird paneling stuff. And so there's a window right here. So there's a window right here. And so a different thought was close this and open that side. So let
right
this
here?
be the entrance
To
that room. Because this is where the window's behind this wall.
Yeah.
And then this is where then the fridge could go on this sealed up spot right here. So this would be the fridge.
So open this up right here where the mirror is.
Yes.
Yeah, I like that.
To get in there.
And then close that off and then put the fridge right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty smart.
Yes, that was a friend's idea.
Yeah, I think that's pretty smart. I would definitely take that door off.
Yes. Yes.
Nobody
yes,
puts
yes.
this isn't.
That's
That's old school. But like these cabinets, they gotta go.
Yep.
These are unsalvageable. I don't know what Jose's talking about. But this house is structurally sound. It's pretty good. How about back there?
Good. So I don't have the lights on yet, but obviously that's the bathroom. Cool. And
you're gonna tear. What are you doing in the bathroom?
Just gutting it.
Gutting it.
I think so. The tub itself is actually not bad. So I was, and it's like the wide tub. Yeah, I'm hoping, unless they break it, and then we'll have to get a new one.
Yeah, I think just looking at that, you could take off the surround of the tub and just put tile.
Yeah, that's like I said. That's what we would.
I mean, it's saving you like $300 to $500, really. You know, but this is a good size room. Are you keeping this or tearing it out?
So we're tearing it out, but the thought that we're having is where you're standing would be a little half bath, basically like make like a half bath for
like build
a
like
bath
right
there. Yeah, it'd be a 5x5. Yep, right where you are.
Yeah, I would like so you won't have to touch the trim. Go from like right here, build it out 5 feet, and then go over this way, and you got a half bath.
Yep, and then the rest of it would still be the closet.
Yeah.
Or a closet.
Yeah, that's smart.
That's what we're thinking about.
Yeah,
right
like
there.
from my hair over his closet space. Yeah, that's pretty smart. So then you add a half bath, and this house only has
the one. Correct.
What's the makeup? What is it? 3?
It's a 3. This is a 3-1.
3-1, so it'll be 3 1.5. Yeah. It's a good deal. I would even venture to say, is there a way you can fit a shower in here somewhere and make it a full a 3-2? But I can't see it. You could box this off easily and turn it into a half bath for sure.
Yeah, I think we ran it by a plumber. Like it would get to like this window. Like it would be a lot.
And then maybe add a door right here or something, or around there.
I think it would be over there. Yeah.
Yeah, probably this.
Yeah. Because
the glass is gonna be here,
so maybe this side.
Yeah.
Figure you add it on this side, and then you still got enough space for the bed.
Because it would just look like doors. Because it would be closet doors and then a bathroom.
No, that looks good. Perfect. And then this bathroom over here, you said you were gutting it.
Yeah, I can't. I mean, like it's just, and I also don't know. They put this down, but I don't know. We're not this flooring. We're not keeping. I don't know what they.
Let me see something.
Intention, but.
I just wanna
Oh yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, this can be separated. I would keep this tub. This is a nice wide tub.
That's what I thought. Okay.
This is a nice tub actually. You could gut all of this out right here.
Yeah, actually we are gonna pull it, and there's a window behind it. We're gonna tile in the window.
Behind here?
Yeah, that's like the thing apparently.
A window behind the
surround, because I guess they didn't what was the other option? It's a standard size window, but it's like in the middle of what would be the shed.
That's crazy, man.
That was the same thing in the other house.
Yeah, the other house had that too.
Really? Mm-hmm. And it also left you a surprise.
What?
There's a surprise in here.
Okay.
In the toilet.
I think maybe the people who took the shed left it. I don't remember. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, so that's the one bedroom. This is the other bedroom. Like I said, she said that she hired somebody to start putting this flooring in and then just
fireplace. You closing that off? Or you gonna keep it?
Yeah, no, we're gonna close that. There's a real one in the other one that we'll keep.
Okay. A little bit of flooring work right there.
Yeah.
That's nothing much. And then you got this back. Yeah, this is a nice layout. Mm-hmm. You're gonna keep this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, this one and the one in the living room. So this is an exterior door.
Yeah, I saw that. Is that the master bath back there?
So there.
The master bedroom, I mean?
That would be.
This is a bigger room.
Okay.
Is it? I don't know.
I was like, are they about the same?
That room is about the same size, you think?
Yeah.
So.
Because you can, if it were me, you could, let me see something. Maybe you could turn something out here, maybe turn this into a bathroom somewhere. Well, it might be difficult.
Yeah, I was like, with all this stone.
Yeah, it might be difficult. Nah, forget it. Forget I said that. Mm-hmm. But this corner can be one you can close this off. Or, I mean, it just depends, because then you're going to have to do something with the stone outside because you're going to close that door off. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So what's your budget like on this?
So this one is 50.
50, and you bought it for?
90.
90, so you'll be on for about 140 to 150 after costs. What do you plan on selling it for?
The current estimate is 200. It's been, like I had to get her appraised for the bank, whatever,
Yeah.
it came in right at that.
So 200,000, so you make about 50 grand.
Hopefully.
Not too bad. And then on the other one, I think you're 20,000 over budget on that one. Mm-hmm. But I still think you can command a higher price just based on the way it shows. Mm-hmm. I think it's nice. But talk to Casey about that. But I think you'll come off clean on that one too. You know, so I mean, I wouldn't even be mad if you made 40 grand on it. Mm-hmm. You know, so. But yeah. So how's it feel buying your second flip?
It's funny. It's I was like, I think he's gonna ask me about that. It's like cool and nerve-wracking. Like most people buy one house or two in their lifetimes, and like so to do that in the span of a couple of months while also trying to like manage the budgets and different things like that, like it's nerve-wracking.
And you're doing this from out of state, obviously. Juan's here.
Well, so we started out of state, and then I guess it's
because
pseudo.
you
So
were,
I was up in New England, and then have come down here. Always spent my summers here anyway. So like I said, last year's project was a fixer-upper in Raleigh, but we kept it. And so now we're trying our hands at flipping. And so this is the second one.
Awesome.
For that.
So New England, you're gonna be moving out here.
Yep.
Pretty soon, and you guys are getting married soon. I don't know if you wanted me to say it on camera.
Yeah, well, it's fine. Yeah, I mean we are engaged. So yeah.
Getting married pretty soon. That's awesome. And then on top of that, one is a contractor, so that's easy access to the guy who's gonna do all the work, the labor.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Love the house. I think you guys are doing great. Thanks. I would love to see the finishing touches of this on video. For sure. As well as the other one, if you could do that. That's cool.
For sure.
And we'll take it from there. Look, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. What would you do different to this house? Would you do anything different? Any suggestions? What are you doing on your current flips? Let us know in the comment section. We'll talk to you on the next one. Take care.